Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the forex market in euro currency in particular. So mostly market keeps the sentiment and scenario that we have talked about. So we have suggested deeper downside action. And yesterday we said that it might be maybe stronger upper bounce, that we could keep an eye on for taking the better entry price. But with the news that we've got recently and actually the performance on the charts that we will discuss in this video tells us that, well, chances significantly are dropping that market could show action to the 1070. By the current view, it seems that downside action could happen sooner rather than later. So that's why it means that we're now more tending to idea that or maybe extension to the 108.80 area could happen right now. Could start right now. In general, those of you guys who are just watching our Telegram channel, you could see what's going on in the world. So the events are changing very fast. So I'm not even sometimes in time to put the reaction, put the news in the channels, just because well, it's common in lots of different sources and relates to different topics, but it's definitely something is going on. Some geopolitical events got some acceleration. It means that the major central of power have made some decisions that's now impacting the overall situation. Now we see that the Poland is becoming involved in the confrontation with the Belarus. Rest of the yesterday was news. I also put it in the Telegram. You could see what's going on in Africa. Yesterday we mentioned situation with the pipeline gas pipeline from the Nigeria to the front to the Europe, where they have to would have to get 30 billion meters of the gas. So and now since this pipe should go through the territory of the Algeria and Niger, currently it seems that this project will be closed, and this is not a hit on the France power supplies, just because now they were cut out from the Iranian ore, and losing of this gas pipeline is also will be really a big event. So recently, United States rate was downgraded by the Fitch agency. So you can see it's just some madness. So it's such kind of the events, and this amount of these events could put the markets in the jeopardy in the nearest time. So investors just will become frustrating and just will not know what to do. I'm not even surprised if some investors are now a bit shocked and just do not know what the decisions to make. I'm mostly speaking about the investors who are investing in the long term. Okay, what we have on the euro for a nearest time. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have, by the way, take a look at market stands below the confluence. This is important. So with the testing of this area and the first bounce, as you can see, it returned back down and stands there. So market doesn't show any significant acceleration out of the confluence and so on. So it means that this reaction mostly is not leads to a continuation of this rally. It seems that maybe deeper drop should happen. There's definitely signs of weakness. On the 4-hour time frame chart, after collapse, you could see market starts forming the triangle consolidation, and here we could recognize some bearish dynamic pressure signs. So trend turns bullish, but price action mostly is not. It's standing in a tight range. This makes me think that we could get the butterfly pattern to the downside. Besides, let's take a look. 1618 extension 108.79 perfectly fits to the OP of this ABCD pattern. It's 108.94, and it accurately agrees with the daily 618 support 108.80. Stands just slightly above this area, and this daily oversold, by the way, as well. So that's probably the target that we will be focused on in the nearest time. And the only question that we could consider right now is tactical question is what the shape of the right wing of the butterfly will be. So it might be as it stands right now, so downward action could start right from here, or we could get, let's say, some kind of this type of action, right? So it might be some ABCD first. To the upside, this will be more equal wings to be formed. My personal opinion in the current situation, guys, it seems that, well, chances on this performance not really significant. Yes, we have the grabber here. This mini grabber has been formed. If even this ABCD will happen, it will not cancel the butterfly, so it will not change the overall our view. And well, now we just could wait a bit and see what will happen if market will just erase this grabber, keep dropping lower. That tells us that probably downward action is already started. If you would like to, you could split the position once again. So this tool we recommend to apply in every situation where you are not sure with the particular starting points of the action, but if you are sure with the direction. So in the current situation, if we are sure with the direction down, we could suggest two starting points. This one right there, so market stands right now, and another one somewhere around the previous stops of the 110.40 area, if market will get there. So correspondingly, if you are scaring to miss the possible start in the downward action, you could take some part of your position, 30% of your lot, 40% of your lot, and just see what will happen. Of course, it's if you would like to, you could try to catch the perfect entry. So I'm talking about this every time. That's actually all that we have on euro currency. So that's in 2 words the bottom line. Where you have the bearish view, we suggest that chances to reach 1 or 880 target cluster currently is greater than action to 110.70, where we have planned second entry with our, if you remember yesterday we talked about this ABCD OP around 1056, 1070 area. So we currently think that this chance is, well, significantly diminished on this scenario, and market will keep going lower right now. The only question is whether the market will form the ABCD pattern here before downward action or not. My personal view that I think that it's very small chance that this will happen. It's more probable that we will get downward action. Actually, you could see it's now is already starting. So that's what we have. So let's just see what will happen.